Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umantri rangba ka jila Meghalaya u Conrad ki sangma manta kasni. Ulapli ya ka Rural Health Center Hamriau Kabadan ha Eastern West Khas Hills District. Ha ka jingyadon lang umantri katnat yalekai u Shakliar Warjri baru MP ka Rajya Sabha u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi. Habakran hakani kasngi umantri rangba uloong bakatnat ka kwat kakya kadai ka way na kitnat kabadon jing e bha ha ka jilla. Katba ulapan pau ya ka jingpen kala ya ki jingtei hakani katnat hakini ki news nem baladem ban pelong ya ka kwat kakya ka bakhamsuk ya ki pat ba nongkyndong. Habakan tho ba ka sorkar ka angnun ban pin kala ya katnat kabadan ka jingmang pisa ka bahetam na kabenta ka kwat kakya ka balong khandai person kabayang kum kabahetam hakari. Ulapan pau bagadai ka jingpin pau ya ka jing angnu jong ka sorkar. Ya ka Rural Health Center RHC labay pisa da ka CMSDF ha ka pisa ka ba life hupra point pralak tingka kat ba sa life pralak on pelan. Kane ka Miriau RHC ka kenthop ya ki arphuway tali kishnong. Balapnya ya ka da ka Dr. H.G. Roberts Hospital Shillong. Kane ka RHC kadai ka basaw kum kane ka RHC kabala penyat da ka hospital ha ka jilla. Hababan jur halor ka bor jong ka jingya trailang umantri rangba ulaong bakat ba ka sorkar kadangle yala ka jong ka kam ka jingkershan na kipat ba bat kiseng ki badan jingmut ba kum ka Dr. H.G. Roberts Hospital Shillong kan aimun sin. Ya ka jing yatali ha ka bapin kala ya ka jingla banyo ya ka jingsumar ha ka jila Meghalaya. Kum ka jingero ya ka jing tray shitom jong ka Dr. H.G. Roberts Hospital Shillong umantri rangba ulapin naru ba on ay jingkershan ya ka way ka hospital balapin yahat daki hanong ba Shillong na kabenta ban kentiu ya ki jingtay jongki na kabenta ka jing shakri laser litho tripsi.
The inauguration of the Rural Health Center, Riau, by Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, Government.
My colleague in the Cabinet, Honorable Minister for Sport, rescheduling it, and I would once again like to apologize to each and every one of you for the inconvenience that has been caused to you. But this gives me great pleasure, a great sense of happiness, and a great sense of satisfaction to be here amongst all of you to witness the inauguration of this Rural Health Center. I must thank Reverend S.S. Majau, someone I have been very closely associated with, someone who has guided me in different situations, and the person who has pushed me, I should say, to ensure that I am here today. It is he who approached and asked me for funds, along with, of course, other members. And therefore, I really appreciate and would once again put on record a deep sense of appreciation for Reverend S.S. Majau for having taken the initiative because of which we are all present here today. Friends, health sector has been one of the most challenging sectors for us as a government and as a society. In the last 7 years, our government has taken number of steps to bring reformation to the health sector. I'm happy to inform you that our government spends 9% of its budget on health sector. To give it in perspective of the nation, the Meghalaya government is the highest spender in terms of percentage of the budget in the entire country. So 9% is what we spend, which is the highest compared to any other state in the country.